What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to export your WordPress database using phpMyAdmin in cpanel so you can create a backup of your site. Backing up your database is extremely important. Your WordPress database contains all of your posts, pages, settings, users, and comments. If anything ever goes wrong, having a decent backup means you can restore your site quickly instead of starting all over from scratch. The good news is exporting your database only takes a couple of minutes. And this is another reason why hosting with RackNerd cpanel shared hosting is so convenient. With phpMyAdmin already included, you can create manual database backups anytime without plugins or extra tools. If you're not hosting with us yet, check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing and protecting your WordPress site simple and reliable. Now, before we jump in, I will quickly mention that we've already covered how to import and repair WordPress databases using phpMyAdmin. Today, we're going to focus on the other side of that process, exporting your database for safekeeping. All right, let's move into the steps. Start by logging into your cpanel account. Once you're in the main dashboard, scroll down to the databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. When phpMyAdmin opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and select the database that belongs to your WordPress site. If you're not sure which database that is, you can always confirm the database name inside of your wp-config.php file using File Manager. After selecting the database, you will see a set of tabs across the top. Click on the Export tab. This is where you'll create your backup file. On the export screen, choose the Quick Export method. This option automatically selects all tables and uses the standard SQL format, which is exactly what you want for a simple WordPress backup. Make sure the format is set to SQL and then click Go. Your browser will immediately download a file onto your computer. This file contains your entire WordPress database and can be used later to restore your site or migrate it to another server. Be sure to store it somewhere safe, such as an external drive or secure cloud storage. Once the download is complete, your database backup is done. And that's it, you've successfully exported your WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. This is one of the easiest and most important backup steps that you can take to protect your website. It's another great example of how RackNerd cpanel hosting gives you full control over your site's data. With phpMyAdmin built right into your hosting account, creating and restoring database backups is quick and straightforward. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cpanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear, step-by-step WordPress guides just like this. All right, that wraps it up for me today. I will catch you in the next video.